years, trillions of dollars on trade. Trillions of dollars.
We go live straight to Donald Trump giving a speech right now about tariffs. You can't miss it. We'll pick up the NVIDIA story in a second. Here we go.
I like him. He likes me. I mean, you know, who knows? Who the hell cares?
Do you have any updates on talks?
But you know
with
what?
China?
What?
Do you have any updates with talks with China?
No, let me just tell you this. I don't blame China. I don't blame Vietnam. I see their meeting today. Is that wonderful? That's a lovely meeting. They're meeting, like, trying to figure out how do we screw the United States of America. Don't forget, the European Union was formed to do just that. The European Union was formed to hurt the United States. And
NVIDIA opportunity to buy right now isn't going to last very long. We'll come to it in a few seconds.
Since I got involved, they
live from the president.
I took in over $600 billion for NATO. Nobody took in anything. I mean, they were all delinquent. They had 8 nations out of 28 paid their bills. The rest of them were way delinquent. And I said, if you don't pay your bills, we're not going to protect you.
Already rebounding back. You're losing the opportunity here for NVIDIA. Big story in a few moments. Stand by.
I've never seen anything like it. We couldn't get anybody to pay because the United States was footing the bill for NATO. Well, we got hurt there, and we got hurt on trade, likewise, European Union. And
I'm buying it for the S&P 500. That's the best value.
They're trying to.
Tap the like
button.
But
the European Union has taken terrible advantage. They don't take our food products. They don't take our cars. We have millions of their cars, BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, many others. They come in by the millions. They don't take. There are no Chevrolets in Munich, I can tell you that. I said to Angela Merkel when she was there, as she was letting millions of people infiltrate Germany, which was not so good we would call them illegal immigrants, but she made them legal. But I said to her, and I get along with her very well, I said, how many Chevrolets do we have in Munich or Frankfurt? Why, none, Donald, none. I said, you're right. And yet we take in millions and millions of cars. No, those days are over. Okay, thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys.
Okay, we're done there now. Just wanted to bring that to you before I brought you more news about NVIDIA and what NVIDIA is about today. So there we go. That's live from Donald Trump there from the Oval Office. So what are we talking about here today? $200 NVIDIA. I've said this over and over again, and I will say it again until I'm green in the face because we're making money. We gave you the target of 140 on earnings. It did that. I said 140 on CES, which was their Vegas event. It did that. And I said it's going to $200, and it is 100%. All right, let me tell you why. And I've got full analysis here for you. So if everyone taps the like button, I'll give you the full analysis. Let's have some fun, shall we? Tap the like button. I'll tell you what I'll do. I will give you the full analysis and all the news directly from Donald Trump, directly from Jensen Huang, all my analysis, a full deep dive on NVIDIA, but I'm not going to do it until we get to 100 likes. Are you ready? This is a live stream. It'll be seen later on around the world. But right now, here we go. Let's pump it up. 100 likes, and I shall give you the information. It's going to be a very, very quick video, this one, of all the information. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go. 100 likes. We've now got 140 people watching live. Here we go. I'll show you on the screen. Let's get it going. I'll give you the full analysis. Once we hit 100 likes, 140 people watching live. It's going up, 144. We've now got 2 likes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 likes. We've now got it up to 43 likes. Okay, we just need a few more likes, and I'll give you the news of why it's going up, full analysis, how you buy it, where to buy it, the best price. Are you ready? Tap the like button. Nice and quick. Consider subscribing if you want the real news ahead of Bloomberg and CNBC. That's what you get here. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 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 go. And I'll bring you the news. We are now at 58. Nearly there. 160 watching. Tap the like button. I'll bring you the news. and the full analysis of why NVIDIA is going to $200 and you will miss it. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, 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 go. 71, we're nearly there. Let's give you the news at 100 likes. There's the analysis. I've got it prepared. There's the news. There's Donald Trump's post. There's the NVIDIA news. It's all coming to you once we get to 100 likes. 71. Going to refresh the screen. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What are we at now? 71. 71. Let's have a look. 76. 24 likes to go. 24 likes to go. And I'll give you the news. Come on, guys. Smash the like button. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Do. All right. You're going to get a poll here. You're going to get the news. You're going to get Donald Trump's post. You're going to get the news, the analysis, all of it. But we need 100 likes first. 76 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. The Lucasades are here. And now we are at 83. 83. 17 likes to go. Stand by for the news. You don't want to miss it. If you just tuned in, tap the like button. I'm bringing you breaking news here on NVIDIA, why it's going to $200. Consider subscribing if you are new. We're about to hit a new milestone of 76,692. We're going to 77,000 subscribers by tomorrow morning, I would expect. On the way to 100,000 subscribers. Okay. This is it now. We're going to refresh it for the last time. If we don't get there, I'll end the stream. I'm not joking. I will end the stream and not give you the news. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's got to be 100. Although we end the stream. Are we on? Are we on? Are we on? 100 likes. We have done it. We have done it. We are away. Now we can get to the news. I'm loving it. Why do we want 100 likes? Because we want YouTube to share the post out. If you join quicker, I put it on all my social media posts. The Discord premium members got it first in Discord. All our premium members knew what was going on before anybody. And then it went out to my Blue Sky. There it is. If you don't follow me on Blue Sky, I'll give you the link right now. I send it to you. Let me drop that in the chat. There you go. And then I sent it out to my X account as well. And I've also got a poll there. And everyone's buying, 75% buying on this news. Good. If you want my X account, there's my X and Instagram. If you want the Facebook page and the group, here it is. It went out there as well. And we get a lot of people there from China who watch on Facebook, believe it or not. Not China, I beg your pardon, Australia. Don't know why I said China. Anyway, Australia, Jason Fallon, of course, our gold member, is always there over on Facebook. And then we had Instagram. I've given you the link for that. And on Instagram, you can find my threads as well. So what's the news going on? What's it all about? Well, we told you that NVIDIA was a $140 stock at earnings, and it did 150 at CES, and it was. Then it went back down. We said it will drop to 100, and it did. It went just below 83, in fact. And now I'm saying it's going to $200. So I've been right 3 times out of 3, and I've got every reason to believe I'm going to be right again. So the first thing you might want to do is vote on this poll. We're going to look at it right now. This is the Lucas Archie poll. This is very, very reliable. This has never let me down. This is the real investors. I've just put the link in the chat. It's on the home page of the channel. It's called the community page. And this is the poll. This has always been accurate for where a stock is going. So 0 votes at the moment. I'll zoom in. Look, there you go. 0 votes at the moment. Is it a buy, hold, or sell for NVIDIA? Let me refresh it. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The result right now is 25 votes in the first few seconds. There we go. Buy 40%, 20 hold, sell 28, and 12% don't know. Let's see how that changes throughout this video. Okay, we'll come back to that. I'll give you the link once again. If you're watching later, it'll be below the video, so you won't miss it. Look in the comments. Also pinned to the top. Well, a few moments ago, Donald Trump made a statement. This was it here on Truth Social. NVIDIA to manufacture American-made AI supercomputers in the US for the first time. This was Donald Trump's Truth Social post a few moments ago for the first time. Now, many people don't understand this, and that is why the market is selling off, because they're focusing and they're always behind the curve. Always, always, always behind the curve. They're focusing on NVIDIA being more expensive, and they don't get it. However, anybody here buy an NVIDIA chip? No, of course not. It's for the enterprise, the big money. I'm not on about gamers buy a few game chips. I'm on a few graphics cards. I'm on about enterprise. Their customers are not you. Their customers are Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and around the world. It doesn't matter to them. They will always win. So you cannot lose with buying NVIDIA today. You should have bought it at $80, $83 a few days ago. That was the best price. But however, it's still going to 200. So it's still a good time to buy. So most people don't understand. Why is it going down? Well, we told you this morning there would be Donald Trump's pump was cancelled. We told you it would not be a 10% rally. There'd be a rally, but small. And I was up 4%, made about 4 or 5 grand this morning. Lovely. Very nice indeed. But I said to you, it wouldn't be the rally that we promised, because the Trump tariffs had already been rallied back. Everyone found out about it on Monday today. We knew about it on Saturday and Sunday. We reported it all day live on Sunday and said, do not buy the pump. It will come straight back down. There it is. It came straight back down. We were right. Again, why are we always right? Well, it's not because we know more. It's just we tell the truth and we see what's going on, and we're not trying to influence anything. That's the difference. YouTubers try and sell a story to either profit from the doom and gloom or the crazy elation. We do neither. And we're also ahead of CNBC and Bloomberg. All have self-interest. We don't do that. We're here to serve our members, not provide nonsense so I can sell a few silly YouTube videos. That is not what it's about. So it did go up like we said, exactly how we said, but not the pump that we originally thought before Trump dragged everything backwards. Then it sold off. Now, why has it gone off this morning? Well, because the news was temporary, as we expected, and everyone overbought. Well, Wall Street always overbuy, and then they always overreact. So they've taken it down now below where it needs to be. Is it a good time to buy? Yes, it is. We bought the bottom. It's not going down there. You're not going to be able to buy the bottom like I got a few days ago. You're just not. Now we're above that. Of course, it can go back down there, but the chances of it are very slim, and the risk to reward upwards is far outweighs the risk on the downside. So it's still a good buy. Now, why did it sell off on this news? Why did the market sell off at the moment this news came out? Because Wall Street want to sell it off to buy it back. It's really that simple. Very often we report on NVIDIA doing well on earnings and it sells off. Why? Because it's priced to perfection. You take profit, you drive it down, you buy it back. See, it's starting to gain momentum now. It's going to $200. Not today, it's not, but it's going to $200. No question about it. Now, let me give you the full story and the analysis as I promised. So first of all, tap the like button if you wouldn't mind. That would be amazing. And consider subscribing to our channel. That would be great as well. Let me give the full analysis on the stock and the news. So first of all, here's the news. NVIDIA to manufacture American-made supercomputers in the US for the very first time. This is a really, really, really big deal. A huge deal, but most don't understand it. They'll go, well, it's going to get much more expensive. It's not going to bother you. It's not going to bother you. It's going to bother Apple and Amazon and Microsoft, and they really couldn't care less. So don't worry about that. NVIDIA is working with its manufacturing partners to design and build factories that for the first time will produce NVIDIA AI supercomputers entirely in the US. This is huge. The market sold off the buyback. I cannot tell you how good this is for the S&P 500, how amazing this is for Americans, how amazing this is for everyone investing in America. I love it. So I've already bought the bottom, and here we go. Together with leading manufacturers partners, the company has commissioned more than 1 million square feet of manufacturing space to build and test NVIDIA Blackwell chips in Arizona and AI supercomputers in Texas, just down the road from me. I'm going to go and visit. NVIDIA Blackwell chips have started production at TSMC's chip plants in Phoenix, Arizona. NVIDIA is building supercomputer manufacturing plants in Texas, with Foxconn in Houston and with Wistron in Dallas, just down the road from me. I need to go and pay a visit. Mass production at both plants is expected to ramp up in the next 12 to 15 months. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Straight to $200. The AI chip and supercomputer supply chain is complex and demands the most advanced manufacturing, packaging, assembly, and test technologies. NVIDIA is partnering with Amkor and SPIL for packaging and testing operations in Arizona. Within the next 4 years, NVIDIA plans to produce up to $500 billion of AI infrastructure in the United States through partners with TSMC, Foxconn, Wistron, Amkor, and SPIL. These world-leading companies are deepening their partnerships with NVIDIA, growing their businesses while expanding their global footprint and hardening supply chain resilience. NVIDIA AI supercomputers are the engines of a new type of data center created for the sole purpose of processing artificial intelligence. AI factories that are infrastructure powering a new AI industry. Tens of gigawatt AI factories are expected to be built in the coming years, manufacturing NVIDIA AI chips and supercomputers for American AI factories is expected to create hundreds of thousands of jobs and drive trillions of dollars in economic security over the coming decades. I cannot tell you, and look, I was absolutely right again. It's now starting to rebound. The opportunity is going. The S&P is coming straight back up again. We are ahead of Bloomberg. We are ahead of CNBC. I don't even need to watch the news. They'll be talking about this in about an hour when it's already gone up. You're learning about it already now. Tap the like button if you like the news before anyone else gets it. And my premium customers on Discord knew about this before anyone. All right, the engines of the world's AI infrastructure are being built in the United States for the first time, said Jensen Huang. This is directly from Jensen, founder and CEO of NVIDIA. Adding American manufacturing helps us better meet the incredible and growing demand of AI chips and supercomputers, strengthens our supply chain, and boosts our resiliency. The company will utilize its advanced AI robotics and digital twin technologies to design and operate the facilities, including NVIDIA Omniverse to create digital twins of factories, and NVIDIA Isaac Groot to build robots to automate manufacturing. This is a great day for investors and a great day for America. This was the moment Donald Trump posted it on social media, his True Social. I shared it with you, and my Discord members and premium members in Discord knew about it instantly. And the second this was out, I got it to you. So hopefully you've all taken advantage. Bought the dip this morning when it came down, if not already before today. NVIDIA is going to $200. Now, you want the full analysis of it as well to give you the perspective. Let me do that for you now. Tech stocks rebound on Trump tariff expectations. Very, very nice indeed. We've already covered that. We're not going to do it again. NVIDIA ticks up as a company says it will manufacture and test chips in the United States. I've just read that to you. I'm not going to read it again. Big announcement there. And if you want the software that I get, so you get the news before CNBC and Bloomberg, it's Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. There it is in the chat. Free trials, discounts. You might as well get the software that I've got. It pays for itself. Or become and Discord Premium, and you get everything before everything. I make sure that my Discord Premium members get everything first before anyone, and then we go live here on the show. Okay, now then, let me bring you some analysis. This is important. This is why I say it's going to $200. You need this. Hopefully you've watched to the end. You've tapped the like button by now and consider subscribing as well. That would be great. So NVIDIA, let's look at this. Forward PE, 24 times earnings. Think of that. The S&P 500 was 27 times earnings a few weeks ago. We're at 24 times earnings for a high growth stock. This is fantastic. 24 times earnings. We can afford that price. No issue with that at all. I'm not going to read all about NVIDIA. You already know. I've put this all together for you. If you want to pause at any point and read what I've put together for you in this model, you can pause it. So I'll just let it go through there. If you want to pause it and read all my information on this model, you can. But let me go down to here and continue reading for you. NVIDIA faces competition from several companies with its semiconductor and technology industries. Key competitors include Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Intel, INTC, Broadcom, Avgo. So what are the unique properties, unique values that NVIDIA has over these, and why it's my favorite stock to buy in this sector? NVIDIA's unique value proposition lies in its full stack computing platform, which integrates GPUs, networking, and software to accelerate AI and computing workloads. The company's dominance in the AI ecosystem is supported by its CUDA programming model and a comprehensive suite of software solutions that enhance the performance of its hardware. The vertical integration enables NVIDIA to maintain leadership in high-performance computing, offering solutions that are critical for AI model training, gaming, and professional visualization. Now, I'm just thinking of this right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Sensei, our technical chart analysis expert, who's always right. He likes to say, well, I might be wrong one day, but he's always right. I want him to do a full technical analysis. I'm going to give a link to that at the end of this, and I'm going to ask Sensei to make me a chart on NVIDIA pronto. So in fact, live right on the show, right in front of you, this is what we do when something needs doing. I need a NVIDIA. I'm actually texting Sensei right now on my phone, just so you can see. I'm not going to show you his number. I need an NVIDIA tech chart video, ASAP. I will send to you. I will send to the video. Okay, Sensei will get on with that and get that done for you. Right, just text him. All right, there you go. Sensei has been texted. I'm not going to show you his number. Just tell you I've done that. Okay, so let me do this now. NVIDIA is rated on a hold. The company showcased exceptional growth and profitability, balanced by challenging valuation and mixed momentum. But let me tell you, when this model was put together, where is it? April 10th, 4 days ago. So this model now is underrated. So it's going to be, everything you hear now is going to be better than it was before. And this is what it is now. So we've got revisions A-. Let me explain what all these things mean. Sensei has received the videos, the information, so we'll be on that. Valuation. NVIDIA's valuation is stretched with its price-to-book ratio at 17, significantly higher than the sector of 3. This suggests that NVIDIA is trading at a premium compared to its sector peers. It is trading at a premium, but it does deserve to do so. Growth. NVIDIA demonstrates remarkable growth with a year-on-year revenue growth of 114%, vastly outperforming the sector's median of 5%. This indicates strong expansion and financial performance. Sensei has read the report and he is on the video. He might even be in here in extra. Sorry, he might jump in the live stream. If he does, he will be able to confirm that he's going to do it for you. That's very, very important. Profitability. NVIDIA's profitability is outstanding, with a net income of 56%, much higher than the sector median of 4%. This highlights NVIDIA's efficiency in converting sales into profits. I'm just going to say to Sensei, if he can, just say, I'm just doing it now, just say hi in live. I don't know why I'm all capitals. He's going to go, why am I, is he shouting at me? In oops, my God, I can't do it. In live stream. Just say hi in live stream. There we go. Let's see if he does that as it's starting to go up. Momentum. NVIDIA's momentum is mixed with 1 year performance of 22%, although positive is below its 5-year average momentum of 113%. This suggests some volatility in stock performance. Well, there's a big surprise. Earnings revisions. NVIDIA's earnings revisions are encouraging with a 38 upward EPS revision and 42 upward revenue revisions over the past 3 months, indicating analyst optimism about future earnings. Before anything we've just heard right now. In summary, NVIDIA exhibits strong growth, profitability metrics that are counterbalanced by its high valuation and mixed momentum. Analyst optimism is evidenced by a substantial number of upward revisions, leading to a hold rating. Okay, I'm not going to go into any more of that. All right, good. So there we go. As I said when I brought this news out, I said NVIDIA would start to move up, and it is doing exactly what I said it would do. The opportunity has gone again. I hope you got it this time. I keep trying to bring it to you. There it is. It's now popping again, and the overall market is going up once again. So it's all about, it's not about timing the market, but getting news timely is very important. We bring it to you before anyone. Right, I've now got to get ready for my next video, my next live stream at 2 p.m. this afternoon for the closing bell. I want to answer some quick questions from my members. I'm not going to lie, I bought NVIDIA as it was going down today. Congratulations to you. You've bought a great buy. Hello all, says JJ. Should we own it or having it through VU? If you buy it through VU, you own it anyway. It's the same thing, but it's much better value in my opinion because the S&P is 19 times earnings, in fact lower than that, whereas NVIDIA is more than that. I've just shown you that. So you've still got a huge exposure to it, but you've also got the benefit. Sensei has just responded to me saying, I'm not at home, I'm at work sorting things out, and I won't be able to do it for a few hours. That's okay. That's okay. I'll have them on standby. Buy. Okay, Sensei's going to get it out in the next few hours. You're all going to get it. Second largest position is NVIDIA. Congratulations to you. Good afternoon. Let's go. Pump. Yes, there it goes. Good afternoon all. Hi, Makitas. Good morning. Bought at 95. Congratulations. Great buy. Hi, guys. Come on, guys. Hit the like button. If you're not in NVIDIA, you're going to miss the train. Indeed, you are. Way, hey. Woohoo. Good afternoon, Josh Monroe. I'm loving it. Hi for night, bought 110, so now I'm in. Congratulations to you. Can you post a link to the news? Can I post a link to the news? I've just covered the news here on the show. I'm not sure I know what you mean. Do you know when it should realistically hit 200? Realistically, in the next 12 months. That is my target. I'm sure by the end of the year, NVIDIA should be at 200. For me, it's within 12 months because this is a long time play. These infrastructures need to be built out. I'm not going to say by the end of the year. That's a little jumping the gun. Okay, so there we go. Now then, I've got to get off. I've got lots more information to compile for the closing bell this afternoon. That is my breaking news on NVIDIA this afternoon. What we're going to do now is send you over to the extra channel. This is where we're live 24/7, 7 days a week. Everybody in there knew about this news before. I told my members who were watching me all day in there about it. So join me now. You could have bought the bottom if you'd been in there. Join me now live on extra. That's the benefit of this. This is why I keep telling people, keep it running in the background. You never know what I'm going to drop in the chat. You could have bought the bottom and been primed to make serious amounts of money. So let me do that now. I'm going to go back to extra now and answer those questions. There is the link. Okay, let me pin it to the top. All right, that's where we're going to go now. Let me give you all the links for X and Instagram. If you want Discord Premium, that is the only way now. We're not accepting any more free plans. It's a couple of bucks to be a member. You can immediately get access to Sensei, immediately get access to me. I accept all friend requests and answer all direct questions from premium customers. No more from the free ones. I just can't. But the original members, yes, you're already in, locked in. You'll never have to. You'll never have to have that. Discord Premium is only a couple of bucks, and you also get the training videos and the priority service as well. There it is. If you want to become a member, there's the link. Free stocks for your Robinhood USA, free stocks for Robinhood UK in the chat if you want that. Stand by for Sensei's NVIDIA video on the chart. You will need that. It'll come out later. You can't afford to miss it. You want to find the buy zone, the sell zone, the support levels. That will be coming in a few hours from now. Stand by for that. Eventually, this video will link there when it's available. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. It's also pinned in here as well. I'm now going to send you all to Extra. Join me if you want to know what's going on before CNBC, Bloomberg, anyone. Be a Discord Premium member, also in Extra. You will know the second it happens, 24/7. I'm live with you, and all the Lucasades are with you. Join us there. That's it from me. Thank you very much indeed. I will see you back in a bit. All the links are, in fact, that's going to be rubbish. I'll do this. I'll try again. Above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here, they'll be put over here. They'll be put over here. All right? So there you go. Over here. Right here. That's it from me. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye for now.